For the first time in about a year, a little less than a year, I'm pulling into downtown Mayfield, where an EF-4 tornado ripped through the center of town on December 10th, 2021. This is the first time I've been here since around a month after the tornado. And I wanted to turn around the camera and basically drive through the hardest hit areas and show what's left a year later here in Mayfield. So obviously before, this was not a four-way stop. There were lights. That was the bank where the security camera footage showed the door is exploding open. And this is even crazier though. This was where the courthouse was. I can't even recognize this town. This was a downtown area with buildings that no longer exist. This building here had the famous Mayfield, downtown Mayfield, more than a memory sign. And again, last time I was here, it was just caved in, bombed out looking downtown. I'm gonna take a look. Oh, I can't go left there, okay. Street's closed. So people are still cleaning up. I can see that over there. There's a excavator looking thing. So this is right where the tornado blew through. I don't remember seeing that last time. So that water tower's new because the old one was completely destroyed. And yeah, there we go. They're still tearing things up and getting rid of debris. You can still see that very strong tornado tree damage, which just sheared those trees off. That's a sign of a very strong tornado, just how that trunk is twisted. Just twisted and ripped that tree out. And that's where the Mayfield candle factory was. All the debris is gone, just the slab. So many people trapped that night. So this is the neighborhood across from the candle factory, across the interstate, where some of the strongest winds were. Many of the deaths happened in this neighborhood. See the steps where a house was. It's good to see progress like this, though. Memorial.